Students, last class we had a lengthy and elaborate discussion on trigonometry. The very first concept that we have come across is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This identity is true for every set of real numbers. I mean theta belongs to R. After understanding this, you know very well sin A by cos B is equal to 1 if A plus B is equal to 90 degree. I mean A and B are complementary angles. I repeat again, if sin A by sin B is equal to 1 if A plus B is equal to 90 degree and cos A by sin B is equal to 1 if A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Here A and B are complementary angles. If you want the proof, I will show the first one. Sin A by cos B is actually 1 if and only if A plus B is what? 90. Students, B can be rewritten as 90 minus A. Therefore, I take sin A by cos. What is B? 90 minus A. That is nothing but sin A divided by. We know very well cos of 90 minus theta is nothing but what? Sin theta. I mean sin A. Sin A by sin getting cancelled. How much? 1. Therefore, sin A by cos B value is 1 if and only if A and B are complementary angles. I mean their sum is 90 degree. In the same way, we can easily prove that cos A by sin B is 1 if and only if A plus B is equal to what? 90 degree. One of the extremely important concept we frequently use to solve so many problems including KCET, JEE and JEE advanced exam also. Here to use this concept, I have taken one problem, sin 20 by cos 70 plus cos 50 by sin 40 is equal to 2. It is very clear. How? See, you apply this concept sin A by cos B. Sin A by cos B is 1 if A plus B is 90. Here A is 20, B is 70. 20 plus 70 is what? 90. Hence, its value becomes what? 1. In the same way, come to the second concept. Cos A by sin B is equal to what? 1. If and only if A plus B is what? 90. Definitely cos A by sin B. A is 50 degree, B is 40 degree. Using this concept, A plus B is 90. Definitely 50 plus 40 is 90. Hence its value becomes 1. Therefore 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So if within a fraction of a second we can tell the answer. Its value is how much? 2. This kind of questions are frequently appearing for most of the competitive exams like your NDA exam or CET or JEE exam. Students, after understanding this, I move on to the next concept. The next concept is, see here, sin square A plus sin square B is again 1 if and only if A plus B is what? 90 degree. So how to apply this concept? Very simple, students. See, B is equal to 90 degree minus A. Come to the point. Sin square A plus sin square. What is B? 90 degree minus A. Again that is equal to sin square A plus. That can be rewritten as sin 90 degree minus A. The whole square. Again that is nothing but sin square A plus. We know very well sin of 90 minus theta is nothing but what? Cos theta whole square. That is nothing but sin square A plus cos A whole square is nothing but cos square A. Students, we know very well sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Extremely important and very fundamental concept of trigonometry. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. If the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is to be 1, the angle under the sin should be same as the angle under the cos. Same concept. The angle under the sin is what? A. The angle under the cos is what? A. Therefore, sin square A plus cos square is how much? 1. Hence, the value of sin square A plus sin square B is always 1. In the same way, we can also show that cos square A plus cos square B is also 1 if and only if A plus B is equal to 90 degree. A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Students, by understanding these two concepts, by understanding the concept, what is the first concept? Sin square A plus sin square B is 1 and cos square A plus cos square B is 1 if and only if A plus B is equal to what? 90 degree. By applying these two concepts, I develop one problem. How? You can develop infinitely many problems on your own by understanding these two concepts. I'll take one problem. It is like, see, sin square 20 degree plus sin square 70 degree divided by cos square 30 degree plus cos square what? 60 degree. Observe carefully. Sin square A plus sin square B is 1 if and only if A plus B is 90. Definitely sin square A plus sin square B. A is what? 20. B is what? 70. 70 plus 20 is what? 90. N sin square A plus sin square B. Obviously its value is 1. Similarly, come to the second concept. Cos square A plus cos square B is what? 1. If and only if A plus B is 90. Definitely here we have got A is 30, B is 60. So 30 plus 60, 90. The same concept. Cos square A plus cos square B is 1. Cos square A plus cos square B is also what? 1. 1 by 1 is how much? 1. Hence the total value is 1. One of the important concept, by using these two basics within a fraction of a second we can answer this question. Students, I hope you have understood.